No food or drink in this room. Oh, look at how much food people had to throw away. Man, I can't believe I got caught with my snacks! Guess I gotta just throw them away like everything else. Wait! Don't do that! I know how you can sneak your food in. What are you talking about? Aw, you're so cute! Let me show you. Come closer and I'll tell you how I did it! First, you'll need one of these containers of tissues or wipes. You'll need to take all of the wipes out, of course. Then, all you have to do is put your snacks inside. I like to hide Oreos inside. Just stuff in as many as can fit. And then you're done! Just close it up! Bon appetit! Alright! Let's get into class with our hidden snacks!
I'm better at this game than I thought. No way! I totally forgot about Chloe's birthday! I didn't even get her a present! Oh man. My lollipops! She'll love these. How do I make them look more exciting? Ta-da! I'm a genius. Whoa! My candy! I'm such a klutz. Oh, now the box is torn to shreds. What am I supposed to do now? Without a box, what do I put the candy in? And it's all your fault, stupid ball. Actually, this might just save the day. Open up the plastic ball and stick the lollipops inside of it. Then close them in. Next, roll up a thick piece of paper. Then put hot glue on one end. Before it dries, stick it to the base of your plastic ball. Now it's a giant lollipop. Don't forget to wrap it up nice. Happy birthday, Chloe! Wow! Is that for me? It's the biggest lollipop I've ever seen! Am I the luckiest girl ever, or what? You earned yourself a soda, Adam.
Sneaking a snack behind your teacher's back can be tricky business. What was that? Oh, nothing. I'm just taking in your brilliant lecture. Phew, that was a close one. You'd better be careful, Lily. You don't want to push your luck here. Hey, are you snacking, Missy? Huh? I told you snacking should be done at a recess, not in my class. Now fork it over, Lily. Oh man, that's all the candy I have! For this hack, take a stack of Post-it notes like this one and draw a large square on the top of the stack. Now take a blade and cut a couple of sheets deep along the lines. Once you've taken out the middle pieces, keep going until you're about halfway down the stack. And last but not least, take your favorite candy pieces and stick them inside. And don't forget to cover it back up. Now when you have a hankering for a little sugar in class, keep cool and let your Post-it notes save the day.
What's a movie night without popcorn? And this one's my favorite. Forgot I have to pop it first. Don't I have ready-made ones around here? I thought so. Wait, these aren't ready either. Now what do I do? Another box. Who put this up so high anyway? No! It's raining Skittles, people! Oh man, they're going everywhere! So much for not making a mess. No, not in the pan! Is the Skittle storm over? Didn't see that coming. Ugh! They're literally everywhere! Definitely don't belong in there. I guess movie night's postponed. Cleaning the kitchen on a Friday night? What a bummer. I still could use a snack, though. And I have a great idea! This popcorn could use a little bit of color. I'll pop it in the pan just like normal. But those Skittles are staying put. It's happening! And it smells good already! Talk about a pop of color! I'm trying a red one first. Think it tastes like a Skittle? Only one way to find out. Movie night is officially back on! Stop! No food, see? Can't hear you! Whatever. Excuse me? Why aren't you saying anything? Oh, I don't get paid enough for this! Is this your tongue? I can't believe I did this! I don't feel so well. What a sucker! My tongue's just fine. But it could use a sweet treat. Huh? Oh god. I'll take this. Don't worry. I have a very happy tongue now.
They should call me the Snack King. Yum. Chloe will be out of class pretty soon. But I don't know if I can wait that long. A couple of licks shouldn't spoil my appetite. Sweet strawberry goodness. Yes, get 'em. I'd better leave this here. When was the last time I cleaned this table? Gross. I'll just lean it up against here. Steady. Awesome. I figured you'd be hungry after your test. Wow, you're so thoughtful, Adam. Could have sworn I left my candy here. So weird. I wonder if it fell down. Oh, lollipop. Come out, wherever you are. Adam? Found it. It appears to have grown some stuff. That's disgusting. I'll take the $1 though. But look at all that hair. What's this? It's the price from our chocolate eggs. Turns out this little case is pretty versatile. I'll save this for later. Simply poke a little hole in the bottom. Where's all this hair from anyway? See this little hole at the bottom? You can stick your lollipop stick through it. That way the candy doesn't touch anything. Check it out! This thing's staying fuzz-free, and you can save it for later. I made you one too. I wish I had thought of this earlier. Mind if I open these bad boys? I'll see you again in a little while. 'Cause right now, it's potato chip time.
I'm hungry. Time for my snacks. Huh? Okay, well I'll need a drink. Wait! Now where did my drink go? Maybe I'm just confused. How about some chips? Wait! Where is everything going? Jake? Ugh. Right, I remember. No snacks in class! Now what am I gonna do? Wait, what is she eating? She doesn't have any snacks. Hey, where's the food? Huh? This is just a notebook. No! Look inside! Listen, just take a regular notebook. You'll also need a knife. Now you're gonna start cutting. You're gonna cut a big square. Now remove all these cutout pages. Look! Space for all your candy! A perfect fit! Now just close it up. Voila! Help yourself! Ooh, it tastes so good! Look out! Here comes the teacher! Do you have any food over here? Huh. I guess not. Oh,